Citrus carpet cleaning, Winder, Georgia this morning. Just finished up this 11 o'clock job. As you can see, we had 3 bedrooms, a hall, living room, stairs, and 3 areas in the basement. Our discounts was set $170. We gave them 2 free hallways and then $10 off for the 7 other areas. So a total of $280 is the total. Not much to see. Carpet's in relatively good shape. This is actually a referral from our job in Bethlehem on Monday. Not only is it a referral, it's actually also a family member. So we always love referrals. We got it's a split level, so there's 1 flight of stairs, 2 halves. We got the living room here. And the hallways both were shorter than 15 feet, which is why we didn't charge for them. There was some slime in here that we advised would not come out, and it did not. There was a black spot over there that came out. Overall, everything else came out nice. Used about 2.5 gallons of cleaner. Took about an hour. So again, it was a $280 job in Winder, Georgia. If you are interested, no, we didn't charge for spots. A couple of spots we saw, we don't charge for those. Those are included. No upsells, no per spot fees. We treat for pet odor at no charge when requested. As we always say, if you're interested in setting your own schedule, deciding your own income, making your own hours, etc., let us know. We do sell our online marketing, training, operations manual online, unlimited free updates, access to logos and other advertising. When it's updated, you get all the updates, so you pay one time and then everything's included from then on. 770-652-0630 on the web at citruscarpetcleaningatlanta.com. And remember, Mondays do not suck. It's probably your job. As always, take care. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, comment, like. If you're a truck mount guy, I don't want to hear about how great truck mounts are. Been doing this for 20 years. Less overhead, less maintenance, less headaches, more profit. I don't want the jobs that you do with truck mount. So again, JR with Citrus Carpet Cleaning, 770-652-0630. Take care, be kind. We'll see you next time.